Hey, this will be a video chart on ERHC Energy. Rough day today. I'm not sure if it was bad news or what, but you really don't even need to know all that stuff. All you got to do is look down here at the volume. You see the gap down here, and then closed right on the day. So I've been getting quite a few requests on this as they've been pouring in, but still want to do a chart on it so that way everybody has an idea of what's going on, mainly from a technical perspective here, and that way if you decide to try to trade it or make a bottom play out of it, you kind of have an idea of how to approach it. So the first thing that I want to point out and start with is this previous low here, which was a support. This level's at 35 cents, and yes, it was a support, but after today, since the price closed below it, it's a resistance again. And this line serves kind of two demographics. First, if you're in this for the longer haul and you're still holding, so you care about the overall chart, this is the line right here, 35 cents, that you want to see the bulls get back above. This was a key support. Now that it's a resistance, it flips back over to being a key resistance. So if there's going to be any sort of bounce or any sort of kind of capitulation move, meaning this was capitulation and now it's going to start to head back up, 35 cents is going to be the key target that you need to get through. Now, also on that same note, if you're a day trader or a short-term swing trader and you're looking for a possible bottom play and you want to see a resistance break, this would be your target too. Because if this breaks on some decent volume, this could get moving up again. Yes, we do have the high right there of today, which was at 37 cents. But as far as shorter term level, so let me pull up the 60-minute here. As far as a shorter term, this would still be it. You can see that essentially this 10-period moving average on the 60-minute is also basically right at 35 cents there. So that's going to be the key level for both longer term and the short term players. Now, in terms of other supports, we have to scrunch up the chart some to find this. And actually, I'm just going to go to the weekly chart. That way we don't have to scrunch it up so much like that. So this is a weekly chart, meaning that each one of these candles you see here is now just 1 week worth of price action. So here's that line that I drew on the daily chart. And now you can see that from the weekly chart perspective, is that where we bounced off today? Yep. Going back here, you see that we had a high right there, which was at 28.5 cents, and then it came back down here, acted as support for about month and a half or so, about 6 weeks, and then you see all the final bounce, and that's exactly where it bounced off of today. So right here at 28.5 cents, this is going to be basically the next level of support that ideally the bulls are going to want to see hold. If it doesn't, then the next nearest area of support is going to be right down here at, let's see, 21.5 cents. So pretty big kind of gap there in terms of supports. So not to state the obvious, but hopefully this level here holds at 28.5 and the price doesn't need to go down there. But as far as the next two support levels, first one at 28.5 cents, and then the next one after that is 21.5 cents. So let's go back to the daily and we'll finish up there. So you can see that we had the nice move here, and then this nice move that had me thinking for a while that we might be going back up to test here, but unfortunately things kind of just fell back apart. So overall, who knows, this chart has many swings, so who knows, this just might be the beginning of another bigger move up, but we'll just have to wait and see. If it does go down, I think it'll be kind of more of a slower drift down, because there was a lot of volume and it's not like there's a big thick red candle here. So lots of traders are in it now, and I think it'll continue to get some decent volume here as people try to make a bottom play out of it. But for right now, you want to see this support level hold, and if you're looking to make a short-term play out of this, this level here at 35 cents is going to be the key level to keep your eye on. So if there are any other chart or questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and checking out. So I'd encourage you to go to the website and sign up and see how it works. So if there are any other questions, let me know. If not, once more, this was ERHE.